Hey there, friends. I'm Jake. Welcome to Bright Learners. Today, we've got a fun quiz about describing people. Want to join in? I'll give you a sentence with a slang word, and you have to choose the correct meaning. Think you can get them all right? Let's find out. Ready? Let's go. He is a couch potato.
He is a couch potato.
He is lazy.
He is lazy.
She is a bookworm.
She is a bookworm.
She loves reading.
She loves reading.
She's sharp as a tack.
She's sharp as a tack.
She is very clever.
She is very clever.
He's the life of the party.
He's the life of the party.
He is fun and energetic.
He is fun and energetic.
She has a big heart.
She has a big heart.
She is kind and generous.
She is kind and generous.
She is a drama queen.
She is a drama queen.
She overreacts to everything.
She overreacts to everything.
He is as stubborn as a mule.
He is as stubborn as a mule.
He is very stubborn.
He is very stubborn.
She's a real looker.
She's a real looker.
She is very attractive.
She is very attractive.
He is totally ripped.
He is totally ripped.
He is very fit and muscular.
He is very fit and muscular.
She's a blonde bombshell.
She's a blonde bombshell.
She is an attractive blonde woman.
She is an attractive blonde woman.
He always sees the bright side of things.
He always sees the bright side of things.
He is very optimistic.
He is very optimistic.
He's got no filter.
He's got no filter.
He says things without thinking.
He says things without thinking.
She talks a mile a minute.
She talks a mile a minute.
She speaks very fast.
She speaks very fast.
He's a go-getter.
He's a go-getter.
He is ambitious and hardworking.
He is ambitious and hardworking.
She's got class.
She's got class.
She is very elegant.
She is very elegant.
He's got 2 left feet.
He's got 2 left feet.
He is clumsy at dancing.
He is clumsy at dancing.
He is built like a tank.
He is built like a tank.
He is very strong.
He is very strong.
She's got a bedhead look.
She's got a bedhead look.
She looks messy.
She looks messy.
She's full of beans.
She's full of beans.
She has a lot of energy.
She has a lot of energy.
He is bored to death.
He is bored to death.
He is extremely bored.
He is extremely bored.
He is dead tired.
He is dead tired.
He is extremely tired.
He is extremely tired.
He is all ears.
He is all ears.
He is listening carefully.
He is listening carefully.
She's cool as a cucumber.
She's cool as a cucumber.
She is very calm.
She is very calm.
He hit the sack early.
He hit the sack early.
He went to sleep.
He went to sleep.
He let the cat out of the bag.
He let the cat out of the bag.
He spilled a secret.
He spilled a secret.
She's feeling under the weather.
She's feeling under the weather.
She is sick.
She is sick.
He got cold feet before the speech.
He got cold feet before the speech.
He got nervous and backed out.
He got nervous and backed out.
She spilled the beans.
She spilled the beans.
She told a secret.
She told a secret.
He's pulling your leg.
He's pulling your leg.
He is joking with you.
He is joking with you.
She's on cloud 9.
She's on cloud 9.
She is very happy.
She is very happy.
He's down in the dumps.
He's down in the dumps.
He is feeling sad.
He is feeling sad.
He's walking on air.
He's walking on air.
He is extremely happy.
He is extremely happy.
He was shaking like a leaf.
He was shaking like a leaf.
He was very scared.
He was very scared.
She has butterflies in her stomach.
She has butterflies in her stomach.
She is very nervous.
She is very nervous.
He blew his top.
He blew his top.
He got very angry.
He got very angry.
She was on pins and needles.
She was on pins and needles.
She was very excited or anxious.
She was very excited or anxious.
He lost his cool.
He lost his cool.
He got angry and lost control.
He got angry and lost control.
She is as happy as a clam.
She is as happy as a clam.
She is very happy.
She is very happy.
He is feeling blue today.
He is feeling blue today.
He is feeling sad.
He is feeling sad.
She is scared out of her wits.
She is scared out of her wits.
She is extremely frightened.
She is extremely frightened.
He hit the books last night.
He hit the books last night.
He read a lot and studied hard.
He read a lot and studied hard.
She hit the nail on the head.
She hit the nail on the head.
She said something exactly right.
She said something exactly right.
He's calling it a day.
He's calling it a day.
He is stopping work for the day.
He is stopping work for the day.
She's hitting the road now.
She's hitting the road now.
She is going on a trip.
She is going on a trip.
He burned the midnight oil.
He burned the midnight oil.
He stayed up late working or studying.
He stayed up late working or studying.
He's biting off more than he can chew.
He's biting off more than he can chew.
He is taking on too many tasks.
He is taking on too many tasks.
She is keeping her chin up.
She is keeping her chin up.
She is staying positive.
She is staying positive.
He is walking on eggshells.
He is walking on eggshells.
He is being very careful with his words.
He is being very careful with his words.
She is keeping a straight face.
She is keeping a straight face.
She is staying serious without showing emotions.
She is staying serious without showing emotions.
She has a heart of gold.
She has a heart of gold.
She is very kind and generous.
She is very kind and generous.
Awesome job, everyone! Now you know some cool slang to describe people, just like native speakers. Try using them in real life and impress your friends. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.